If you're in sales, you've probably heard of Apollo.io. It's marketed as a lead generation and sales engagement platform. But does it actually deliver? Here's a breakdown after testing it. Apollo gives you access to a massive B2B contact database. Think decision makers, direct emails, job titles, even company intent data. On top of that, it offers outreach tools like email sequencing, calling, and workflow automation, all in one place. One of the strongest features is how much data you can get even on the free plan, way more than competitors offer. Users also like the Chrome extension that lets you grab leads straight from LinkedIn. And when it works smoothly, the email automation can really save time. It's not all perfect though. Some users report inconsistent email accuracy, especially for smaller companies. The UI can feel overwhelming for beginners, and depending on your plan, certain advanced features are gated behind steep paywalls. It's best for SDRs, recruiters, and solo founders who need to find contacts fast and want a low-cost alternative to more expensive platforms like ZoomInfo or Outreach. But if you're focused on deeper CRM or pipeline management, Apollo won't replace a full sales suite. Overall, Apollo.io strikes a good balance between affordability and function. If you're doing outbound sales and need contacts plus automation without breaking the bank, it's worth trying. Just be ready to spend some time learning the system. That's our take on Apollo. If you're already using it, let us know how it's working for you. And if you're not, it might be time to test it out for yourself.